Frogs that fly? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? This amazing frog lives in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. It glides from tree to tree using its webbed feet like little parachutes. The Wallace's flying frog is bright green with a yellow belly. Its big eyes help it see at night. It mainly eats insects and other small bugs. These frogs are tree dwellers, rarely coming down to the ground. They can leap up to 50 feet in one jump. Sadly, their rainforest home is disappearing, so it's important to protect their habitat. Next time you think of frogs, remember some of them can fly. Isn't that awesome?